name is Garry Gilliam. I'm from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, which is where we're at right now. The Bleacher Garden Project is actually part of our nonprofit Empower at the Bridge Foundation's initiative to convert food deserts into food oases. And we do that in a sustainable and a regenerative fashion. So here at the former Bishop McDevitt, the home of the Bridge Eco Village in Harrisburg, we're actually converting the old bleachers. And this football field that we're standing on is actually where LaShawn McCoy, Ricky Waters, some pretty prominent football players used to play. And now it's going to be the home of a farm. All right, so we are anticipating to get about 6,000 pounds of produce from this farm. We've got local community members and organizations like Harrisburg City Farm, the Evolve Youth Trades Academy, She Does Hauling is involved, everybody coming together, donating soil, their time, their effort to come help convert these bleachers into a food oasis. We've also got the dirt locker out. That group has been phenomenal for us. They came all the way out from California, donated a bunch of their products that actually help secure hills that are eroding. There's runoff, right? So we've got a pretty steep hill here at the back of our property. So a way to kind of shore that up, use it for garden beds, for more produce, we'll be using Dirt Locker's product. So we want to thank them for coming out. Got our seed house, which is actually a concession stand that we converted into a seedling house. We've got lights in there. We're growing different lettuces and produce that once they're started, we actually can transition them into our garden boxes. And those garden boxes are actually made up of some of the old bleachers. And we put a liner on them to make sure we don't have any issues, with leaching. We got community members chopping up those bleachers, putting the liners on, and then we're putting them together out here on the football field to grow more food. Luckily, where the garden is placed is nice and south facing, so we anticipate to get a lot of good sunlight. And we'll be using water collection too. So off of our seed house, off of our building, we're collecting water. We'll be able to pressurize that and use that for irrigation to keep our food growing throughout the season.
I'm co-owner and CEO of Harrisburg City Farm. Right now we're currently working with Empower the Bridge, who actually owns the property, working on the current bleacher project that you guys are here for. Just funny enough, while we were sitting around watching YouTube videos, trying to come up with some ideas regarding our bleacher project, we actually ran across one of your videos. So they caught our attention. We sat down and watched it, and from there we were just thoroughly impressed. And we jumped on your channel and just started going through the other videos, and that's how it started. And then from there, we basically we're hooked. Like, we love this product, and as you see in the background working, it turns just an ordinary hill. It's going to be something incredible afterwards, and we're we're stoked that you guys are helping us out with this.
For the City Farm project, which is a project that was started by myself and a high school friend of mine. So we decided that we were going to get together and start growing some community gardens that we could eventually turn over to communities and allow them to really have a sense of pride and be able to produce some of their own food. So we got together with another friend of ours who graduated from the same high school, and he had a big empty building with a big empty field and said he wanted somebody to grow some food. So we came on in and started the Bleacher Garden project here at the bleachers of the old Bishop McDevitt High School. So we've had a phenomenal number of volunteers come out every weekend. You know, we're planning on growing somewhere between 6,000 and 10,000 pounds of food here this summer. We'll have some farmers markets where we're hoping to be able to sell our vegetables way below a box of a macaroni and cheese cost, so that, you know, families around here can afford to eat some good healthy vegetables. And we're looking to be able to do some food giveaways and just be able to show people what is possible here in the city. We're looking through YouTube videos actually at water catchment systems, and came across some dirt locker videos. We watched them and we were actually amazed and couldn't even believe that there was this product out there, because we have these unbelievable hills that we thought were just a lost cause, and there was no way we were going to be able to grow in them. I think we're running like 40-degree angles here on these hills, which is, you know, can't even walk up them, you know, and so we knew we couldn't take the vegetation off of them without losing all our soil if it rained, you know, so we figured it was a lost cause. And when we saw the dirt locker product, we were just so excited to try that out. So, you know, Dirt Locker was gracious enough to donate some product for us to be able to do this hill, and it took us 2 days to do this hill, and I'm just blown away. I'm just so happy with this. Not only do we have some flowers in them right now, but we can put vegetables in them. You know, this hill is usable now. This hill can produce food now. So, I mean, it just completely changed the whole